All right, this video is going over the parrotTrouble coding back question. And this is kind of like we got a talking parrot, and we get in trouble if it's squawking or talking early in the morning or late in the day after 20 in military time, which I think would be after 8 o'clock. All right. And so there's a few different ways to set it up. So the if is almost right here. So if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. So honestly, that's kind of how I would lean towards doing this. I would basically say if the parrot is talking, so that's a Boolean that's already true or false, and it's early in the morning, so hour is before 7, or the hour is late after 20. So less than 7 or greater than 20. Okay, and then we're going to return true that we are in trouble here, else we're going to return false. Okay, and then the only other thing I would maybe caution against here is I definitely want it to be, so this would do this and then or it with this, which, yeah, I don't think that's right. I think we need to have the or happen together, those two together, and then and put that with the and talking. If we did it the other way, I think if it was just after 20, we'd be in trouble because then it would be this and this one or after 20. So I think we want to set it up so we put parentheses so it does the or and then it ands that with if it's talking or not. So if it's early or late and they're talking, then we're in trouble. All right, and so boom, there we go. We're all good for parrot trouble. All right, hopefully that helped.